Hey everybody, my name is Mohammed Suleiman Khan and I welcome you all to my channel Carboxyl. And obviously we all know why we are here. We are here to learn chemistry. So let me tell you guys, I have a few announcements to make. I will be starting off with O-levels and IGCSE this June. So we'll be starting off on the 10th of June, inshallah, hopefully. And before that, I will be offering demo classes for those of you who are new, and for those of you, I don't know, for those of you in general who want demo classes, I'll be offering that before the 10th of June. So they've already started. You guys can sign up for demo classes. The link is provided in my bio. And ASA2, I also have an announcement for you guys. I will be inshallah starting ASNA2 by the mid of July or the first week of July. So please bear with me. I know you guys are worried about your papers, but trust me, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy, you know. So yeah, so don't worry about that. We'll be starting. For now I have a lot of work pending on my shoulders, so we'll be catering to that too, and then we'll be starting formally ASNA2 by the mid of July or the first week of July. Okay, this time I'm starting first with O-levels and IGCSE because I want you guys, because O-levels and IGCSE is the time where you guys either develop love for chemistry or you develop hate for chemistry, and I want each and every one of you to develop love for chemistry. Literally, trust me, chemistry has zero rata in it. You know, I always used to tell my students that reticulization is not the best qualification to take first position in the CIE examination, right? So we will be learning chemistry together, conceptual chemistry, and I will be introducing you guys to new ways and new methods of solving questions, of grasping concept, and we'll be doing all that together. You can literally develop passion for a subject by asking questions. So the more you ask questions, the better you get at the subject, and the better you develop a bond and a relationship for this subject. So what's the wait, guys? Fill up the forms that's in my bio and you guys will be on a roller coaster ride. Yeah, so see you guys soon and looking forward to it. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao.